Hello, I'm Rashmi Kotharkar. Today's date is the 11 August 2021, and today is I'm discussing about what is the static keyword in Java. So the static keyword in Java is used to is used for the memory management. We can apply the static keyword with the variables, then method, blocks, and the nested class. In Java, suppose if we want to assess the class members, then we first create the instance of the class, but there will be the situation where we want to assess the member without creating any variables. In those situations, we can use the static keyword in Java. Suppose we want to assess the class member without creating any instance of the class. Then we need to declare the class member as a static. The static keyword is belong to the classes than the instant of the class. The static can be the first variable, that is the we also known as the class variable. Then second is the method. We can also known as the method, class method. Then third one is the block, and the fourth one is the nested class. So first is the Java static variable. If you want to declare the any variable as a static variable, then this is known as the Java static variable. The static variable can be referred to the common property to all objects, which is not unique for each objects. For example, company name of employee, college name of students, etc. The static variable get memory only once in the class area and at the time of the class loading. The advantages of the static keyword is it makes your program more efficient. That is, it helps to save the memory. Then the second is the Java static method. In Java static method, if you want to apply any static keyword with their method, then this method is called as the static method. The static method is belong to the class rather the object of the class. The static keyword is invoked without need for creating instant of the class. Static method can assess the static class member, and we can also change the value for it. Then third is the Java static block. In Java static block, it is used to initialize the static data members. It is executed before the main method at the time of the class loading. So this is about the static block method. Then fourth is the static nested class. In static nested class, we cannot declare the top level class with the static modifier, but we can declare the nested class as a static. Then the such types of class is called as the nested class. So these are all the statics we are discussing below. Discussed. Simply the static keyword, it means that it is used for the memory management. We can apply the static keyword with the variable, block and the nested classes. So this all about the static keyword in Java programming. Thank you.